Sa nakaraang pagkatalo nga ng Gilas against New Zealand and Australia ng Window 2 ng FIBA Asia World Cup Qualifiers, nagparamdam nga itong si Coach Tim Cone na maaaring magkaroon ng pagbabago sa kanilang mga offensive sets. Maaaring nagising na nga itong si Coach Tim Cone na hindi na ganong effective ang triangle offense against top teams in our region. Pero ang pinakamalaking tanong dito, kung makakakita nga ba tayo ng malaking adjustment mula kay Coach Tim Cone sa next window ng FIBA Asia World Cup Qualifiers. At isa ako sa mga naniniwala na hindi magiging ganong kadali yung adjustment na pinaplano ni Coach Tim Cone sa next window. Tandaan nyo last year tinalo tayo ng Chinese Taipei ng 2 beses at hindi man lang tayo nakapag-adjust. Parang replay lang yung napanood natin nung unang laban sa kanong pangalawang laban natin against Chinese Taipei. Na yung Chinese Taipei dati tinatalo lang natin yon. Actually, bago nga yun, tinatambakan lang natin ang Chinese Taipei. Dapat nga naging blueprint na sa atin yon. Nung natalo tayo sa Chinese Taipei, na kailangan natin mag-adjust na ng mga offensive plays natin. Pero no doubt magaling talaga tong si Coach Tim Cone. Ang problema, para maging effective yung gustong mangyari ni Coach Tim Cone sa court, kailangan na pag-aralan ng mga players yung gustong mangyari ni Coach Tim Cone. Medyo komplikado. Actually kahit nung 1998 Centennial team natin, natalo tayo, natambakan tayo ng South Korea dahil nga hindi nakapag-adjust si Coach Tim Cone in-game. Panoorin natin to.
3 guards because we had that versatility, and we could have played 2 forwards. We could have played Alvin and Junlin put together, or Alvin and Dennis together as our forwards, and played 3 guards for help, Kenneth and Johnny or whatever. We lost that game truly because of coaching mistakes, not because of talent or skill or anything else. I took the wrong approach. We were so intent on beating China that honestly, we kind of looked past Korea, and I can't believe we were that dumb to do that I was that dumb to do that now.
So kahit nga, kahit nga si Coach Tim, aminado na siya yung nagkamali against South Korea kung bakit tayo natambakan ng South Korea noong 1998 Asian Games. Ang triangle offense kasi, napaka-komplikado niyan. Kailangan na master mo talaga yan para maging effective ka. Kailangan na pag-aralan ng mga players mo yung triangle offense ng mabuti para maging effective ang triangle offense. So kailangan babasahin mo laging mong hahanapin yung mas magandang tira at yun, repetitions lang. So medyo mahirap yung pinaplano ni Coach Tim Cone na total adjustment or major adjustment kasi meron na lang silang less than 2 months yata para dun sa window 3. Anyway, panoorin natin yung clip na nilagay ko dito sa video to na galing sa podcast ni Snow Badua na yun nga, pinag-uusapan nila yung upcoming adjustments ng Gilas na pinaplano ni Coach Tim Cone.
He has stuck to his beliefs, he has stuck to what he feels is right, and he has stuck to what he feels works for him and his teams, diba? And may prueba naman. Makikita naman natin yan. Hindi lang... meron siyang...
Nature mo na yan di ba, boss? Yung triangle kasi, boss, parang doctorate Marami kang kailangan i-memorize. Di ba? Marami kang dapat tandaan. Marami kang dapat i-absorb para maging efficient at effective ka dun sa sistema. What about